morning, guys. Joe with Joe's Gold Garage, coming to you from the mayonnaise white 2012 Chevy Sonic 1.8. Listen to all them ponies. It's actually a pretty peppy little car. I've got this thing down here with me, and I'm headed into work. My brother brought the car down from Chattanooga because I have sold this car to someone I work with. We've kind of just been holding it. We haven't had it for sale. We've just had it kind of earmarked for this guy I work with, because I sent him video and some pictures. He said, hey, I want it. So we're just now doing the deal today. It's about 6:30 in the morning, I think. Maybe a little later. I may be running a little late. But yeah, this thing's a little sweetheart. My brother drove it, of course, down here from Chattanooga. He sent me a little video of the speedometer of him running about 87 miles an hour. He said, man, this thing's got legs. He said, this is a freeway cruiser. And even though I'm just on a little 55 mile an hour blacktop, I believe him, because this thing really does, it really does like to cruise. Shoot, yeah, just 70 miles an hour, no problem. Nice little cruiser. Unfortunately, this is a base LS model Sonic, so it does not even have cruise control. It has roll-em-up windows. Now, it does have power door locks, which that's nice, considering it's got, 4 doors and a hatchback. I kind of like the manual windows because that's something that's not going to tear up. If I just had some sort of cruise control, I could be happy with a little car like this. I love the little instrumentation package on this car. That's neat. This thing has freezing cold AC. We did have to have it serviced after we bought it because it was only blowing cool on the highest setting, and the compressor was kicking on and off. That's the auction we're going to today. Going this morning about 7:30. That's a new one for us. I drive by it every day on my way to work, and I've been telling my brother, I was like, you gotta come down here, we gotta go to this thing. So we're going today. Got 983 cars there, so it's quite a big auction. Almost 1,000 cars this morning. But I wanted to get this thing to work and get it delivered to my buddy. And it's just a pretty good little unit. Shoot, it is just a champ. Now, I can't remember if surely I've done a little video on this car. I really can't remember. But the story on this car, when we bought it from the auction, it was, we ran a Carfax on it like we do any car that that we're interested in at the sale. We run a Carfax. That's just what we do. And discovered that a few hundred miles back, this car had an engine replacement. The Carfax entry before the engine replacement shows service work for head gasket job. Head gaskets, cooling system, new radiator, thermostat. I mean, like the whole 9 yards. And then like 1,000 miles later, engine replacement. So I don't know if somebody had, obviously they ran it hot, or it had started to run hot, and they did repairs to fix that, and either the repairs weren't done properly, or who knows what the story is. You're just, that's the thing about a Carfax report. You're just going through the service logins on a Carfax, and you're trying to build your own story, of what, what may have happened, and kind of make scenarios up in your mind. And what, basically what we can figure out is the repairs weren't good enough, or didn't work, or they did them wrong and the engine then blew up, or whatever. But yeah, about 300 miles ago, this engine was replaced. So it runs great. I mean, when I crank it up, it starts right. That starter on this motor barely turns over 2 times. And this thing fires right to life. It's got plenty of power. Yeah, I'm in a 55 zone right now. I'm speeding just a little bit. But yeah, I mean, she's just a little cruiser, about 2,300 RPM at 70 miles an hour. A little downshift. I'm going on up a hill. But yeah, I'll get you guys a little walk around on this car. Alright guys, thought I'd get us a little walk around of this little car. Again, this is a 12 Sonic. I mean, got brand new tires. Brand new. Just a slick running little thing, man. As smooth as can be. I was checking the oil on it last night, and it looks like I dribbled some all over the hood. Let's just kind of wipe that off. There we go. That's the professional way of doing it. She's wider than a mayonnaise sandwich, but she's clean, and she runs good. She was fixed right. Some jumper cables. Not a lot of leg room, but she's a clean little car. I like this little thing. I wouldn't mind having one for myself, but I gotta have cruise, man. Gotta have cruise. Anyway, tell me what y'all think about the 12 Chevy Sonic. Nothing super exciting, but hey, it's gonna make my buddy here, it's gonna make him and his wife a really pretty good little car, I think. It should. 131,827 on the miles. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Drop your comment below about the little Sonic. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.